As for data, A is complex number such that mod of A equal to 1, then find the value of A so that the equation az square plus z plus 1 equal to 0 has purely imaginary root. Then find tan of argument of A. Here argument of A is nothing but alpha. So we need to find tan alpha. Okay. Let us suppose A is equal to cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. Since mod of A is equal to 1, which is satisfy the given condition. So now here it has z is purely imaginary root. Let us suppose z equal to iota y. Now substitute these two values in given condition because these two values must satisfy the equation. Now we have given equation az square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Here a is equal to cos alpha plus iota sin alpha into z square means iota y whole square plus iota y plus 1 equal to 0. Now this can be written as cos alpha plus iota sin alpha into iota square equal to minus 1. So this is actually minus of y square plus iota y plus 1 equal to 0. Now just open the bracket. We'll get minus of y square cos alpha minus of iota y square sin alpha plus iota y plus 1 equal to 0. This can be written as minus y square cos alpha plus 1. We take common iota y from these two values. We will get iota y multiplied by y sin alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Comparing the real and imaginary part on both sides, we get minus y square cos alpha plus 1 equal to 0. This is also 0. Y into y sin alpha minus 1 equal to 0. From here, we get a y square equal to 1 by cos alpha, and from here we get y equal to 1 by sin alpha, and y cannot be equal to 0. Please note. Substitute the value y equal to 1 by sin alpha in given equation. We get 1 by sin square alpha equal to 1 by cos alpha. After cross multiplications, we get cos alpha equal to sin square alpha Okay, this can be written as cos alpha equal to sin square alpha is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. This will imply cos alpha is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. Okay, bring cos square alpha this side. Cos square alpha plus cos alpha minus 1 equal to 0, which is quadratic equation in cos alpha. So we need to find value of cos alpha. So cos alpha equal to, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 1. Okay. So minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Cos alpha equal to minus b minus 1 plus minus under root of b square means 1 square minus 4 into 1 into c. Here c will be minus 1 all divided by 2 into 1. This will imply cos alpha is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. From here we get cos alpha equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 or minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Cos alpha cannot be equal to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. So we take cos alpha is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Consider the value. So we need to find sin alpha. Sin alpha from equation first. Say equation first. Sin alpha is equal to root cos alpha. Okay. So sin alpha will be equal to under root of root 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Actually, you have to find the value of tan alpha. Okay. So dividing sin alpha by cos alpha. Tan alpha is equal to sin alpha all divided by cos alpha. Sin alpha is of the value root 5 minus 1 by 2, and cos alpha is the value under root of root 5 minus 1 by 2. After simplification, we get tan alpha is equal to root 5 minus 1 root 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay, root 5 minus 1 by 2 whole divided by root 5 minus 1 by 2. So we can write 2 by root 5 minus 1. Okay. This can be written as like this root 5 minus 1, root 5 minus 1, root 5 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and 2 is equal to, we can write root 2 into root 2 all divided by we can write root 5 minus 1 is equal to root of root 5 minus 1 into root of root 5 minus 1. Root 5 minus 1, root 5 minus 1 will be cancelled. Root 2 cancel. So tan alpha is equal to root 2 by root 5 minus 1. You want to rationalize root 5 plus 1 and root 5 plus 1. We get tan alpha is equal to 2 times of root 5, 2 times of, sorry, tan alpha is equal to 2 multiplied by root 5 plus 1 all divided by a minus b, a plus b, 5 minus 1, 4 root. So this will be equal to root 5 plus 1 by 2. This is the answer. So correct option is D. D is the correct option. Thank you.